Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Nussi here. I'm back at it again on another YouTube video, and today I'll be going on this amazing website called YSense. Now, this one pays out a lot, and if you watch to the end, I'm going to be teaching you the secret how to make the most money possible. Come on, man. I know y'all want to make some money today. I know y'all are struggling. You see, I've already made 40 something bucks. I don't know what this ad is popping up. It's very annoying. But you see, I already made 40 something bucks, and I've cashed out, as you can see already, because I have 13 bucks. I'm just going to save this money up. But you can do figure eight tasks, forum, cash offers, paid surveys. But if you want to earn the most money out of all of them, I told you guys, wait to the end. I'm going to give you a bonus. You need to do not these surveys. These surveys don't really pay a lot. Do this one, Opinion World. This one pays out a lot of money. So if you want to make the most money, I would do that. And when you cash out, you can do like Amazon, all that stuff. And they got Amazon, PayPal, but they pay really fast. So for y'all, I would get on that pronto, like, to be honest. So if you want to see this website, just let me know. Link down below, as usual. The link is down below. You have a good one. Stay notified. Stay subscribed. Have a good day.